welcome back to easypeasyart.com. Last year we had a sudden cold snap here in BC and all the hummingbirds in the area died. As much as everybody tried to keep them alive, you would put the feeder out and within half an hour it was frozen. This year I was going to take my feeder away so they would all fly away for the winter. But I had a pair in the tree right outside my door here that had a batch of babies really, really late. And they only came out the nest, about 3-4 weeks ago. And the babies are still quite small. So they're all here, the whole bunch of them are here. And I'm determined to keep them alive this year. So I have made a keep the fluid warm and melted thingy for hummingbirds. A heated hummingbird feeder. A heated hummingbird feeder. So I got this handy dandy little feeder. It actually came with a little thingy that you can put it on a window. Actually, I'm going to be using this. No, I won't be using this piece. You put it on a window. Actually, I might even be using this piece. It might just, yeah, I might actually. But anyway. And it also came with these pieces that you can actually stick it into the ground or into something. It's like a long pipe thing that goes into the bottom. And I got sorry, this is about the third time I've filmed this thing, so I'm not undoing everything every time because it takes me ages to screw this back in. Ceramic pot. It's a plain old ceramic pot. I think this was $1. This I bought at Home Depot hardware store. It's a cord. There's actually a better one. I bought the wrong one. I wasn't thinking. There's one that would actually fit in that hole of the pot really well at the back there. But this works just fine because it's not hanging off here. It actually goes this way around. And yeah, it's got a little light switchy thing, and then the plug. Let me just plug it in real quick. And the light bulb. The light bulb is a 40 watt, either a fridge or a fridge is, I think a fridge is only a 20 watt. This is a oven light. Short little oven light. And you've put the wire of the plug through that hole of the pot. Take a piece of wire. The only wire I had was floral wire. Wrap it around the pot. You don't want it too tight. So you end up with that now. And let me just show you how it works. It goes on. You then take this handy dandy little feeder. This is perfect time of the year. Christmas light clips. That, you know, when you're putting lights around the roof of the house. If you're from South Africa, you'll be saying, what the hell are you talking about? But if you're here in Canada, just about every house has Christmas lights around their house. You attach it to that little piece of wire. What I liked about these is they are very pliable. I tried metal ones and it was just, well, you see, I suppose if I could get decent wire, but I like to just use what I have around the place. And these just work perfectly. So you clip them on and then clip it over that. So you've got to make sure you get the ones with these little handles on the side. Oh, where's the other one? Here. So it's going to hang like that. The light bulb actually heats up the whole ceramic pot and will keep the liquid. It'll stop it feeding. We are getting a cold snap tonight. I'm going to set it up today, right now in fact, and I will let you know how it works. Take care everyone. Bye bye.